Consciousness occupies most important position in the Hindu philosophy. It represents divine wisdom or awareness. It is universal, immanent, and transcendental in nature. In some mystic way, it flows throughout the cosmos and is considered as the source of power behind all the activity in the universe. Ancient rishis, by their intense meditations, perceived many insights into the phenomenon of consciousness. At its basic level, consciousness bestows the instinctive knowledge to all the beings. The physiological functions, movements through the unknown territories, self-preservation and procreation are done through the instincts. The consciousness or the divine power, although inactive by itself, is a life force behind all the activity. It has been compared to the energy of electricity, which is the moving force behind all tools and gadgets. As the beings evolve, their capacity to tap the divine energy too gets enhanced. In human beings with more developed brain, consciousness progresses from instinct or manas toward intellect or buddhi. After attaining the intellect, the human mind has two choices. It may go downwards on the path of ego, or it may go upwards on the path of divine spirituality, the spiritual consciousness or the super consciousness, and wean itself away from the direction of personal ego. According to Hindu philosophy, the choice between the two opposite paths is determined by the essential tendencies or vasanas of the individual accumulated through the actions karma performed over many previous births. The ego path leads to negative acts like violence, lust, greed, appropriation, etc. The path of the higher consciousness or spiritual consciousness, on the other hand, leads to positive and worthy acts like love, compassion, helping, and serving, etc. Scientifically speaking, human brain has over 15 billion thinking cells called the neurons. Only 10 to 20% are, however, in active condition. Hindu thought believes that by the process of deep meditation and constant attention on the divine virtue of God, higher centers are enthused and activated. In this way, the consciousness moves from the lower centers or chakras to the higher chakras. Only human beings have this capacity to transform the essential tendencies, vasanas, from the vice to virtue by their free will and meditation sadhana. Human birth is therefore regarded by the ancient sages as the most precious gift. Although the negative path of ego may yield temporary gains called the pleasures of life or the preya, the ancient sages have repeatedly stressed that it is only through the positive path of virtue, spirituality, and higher consciousness that a person may attain peace, shanti, and eternal joy, ananda, or what is called the shreyas in the scriptures. Recently, the Time magazine in US published a cover story reporting scientifically proven brain changes as observed by MRI techniques. Scientists have discovered palpable thickening of some critical areas of the brain cortex in monks who performed meditation over prolonged periods, thus vindicating the Hindu point of view.